Hi everyone, my name is Maria Carmo, and today I'm hosting one more episode for Catalyst Fund 11. Catalyst is the treasure of innovation for Cardano blockchain. And today, Walker will talk with me about Lovelace Academy, a little bit about what we delivered in the previous proposal, and a little bit of the new proposal. Hi Walker, how are you doing?
Hello, everyone. I have worked with Maria in the previous Lovelace Academy proposal delivery. We have over delivered, so we have actually produced 36 hours of the 21 in proposed in the Lovelace Academy previous proposal. I have worked with Maria producing 12 modules of the in this previous proposal on Plutus experience. And we have received feedbacks on how we can improve this video material and what we can do to address some issues that we had in this previous uh, delivery of the proposal. In this proposal, we are calling that Plutus Experience 2.0, which is this review on the previous proposal. And we're improving the video material, like you said. I'm going to explain that in details, share my screen now, so I can explain that to you. So this is Plutus Experience 2.0. We are addressing the lack of accessible educational content on the practical use of Cardano blockchain for developer applications. And uh, now, our goal here is to guide programmers and developer real-world applications, decentralized applications on Cardano. We're aiming to build this Puts Experience 2.0, which is this new series of modules. So we're gonna reuse the previous material that we have, and we're gonna try to improve what we had before, and also in the same time upgrade uh, uh, and get new technology and new development on Cardano blockchain. So we're going to improve that with new use case, enhance developer experience with more templates and additional tooling as required. So it's important to explain this is beyond just material development. It's also development of new tooling that might be required to improve the developer experience when installing on Cardano. So this has these two sides of this proposal. Okay. Um, so here's the link. We have we YouTube channel too, where we have produced the previous material, and we're gonna keep publishing new material, revisit material. The old material will be available, of course, as archive to, so the users can get back to what they have learned in the past. But the goal here is to produce our own new material and produce new videos if this proposal gets approved. So basically what we're going to do on each module is we're going to review the video content, reducing the length of the videos. We're going to transform this video content, this text and image material. We're gonna keep that in GitHub as it is now, but the content that we have now in GitHub is more like slideshow content, and we're gonna have like more deep content in the text content there instead of only slides. You know? We're going to review the breakthrough on each video, and we're going to keep the solution for the exercise. So the goal with the video now, we're going to be like just the part of the exercise, and we're going to try to get all the content to written material. Okay? And mostly in the last modules, we're going to try to focus more on concepts instead of just explain each step to achieve the solution. You know, so in the previous Plus experience, we try to keep things like each step that need to go to be able to produce the solution. But we received this feedback that it's probably more easier to learn when you have this focus on more on topics instead of just going each step. You know? So we're going to try to improve that mostly in the last module, which has had this kind of issue. We're also going to look for dependence and upgrades that needs to be made on each module, and we're going to try to fix breaking chains that we have for new versions of software that have been delivered since the publication of this material. Okay. We're also gonna upgrade all the examples, and we're gonna try to optimize the templates we have now. In our GitHub, we have a lot of templates that we leave it there as a way to bootstrap projects on Cardano, and we'll try to optimize that to have more performance and to be easier to use for the user, for the developer, for the beginner developer. We're also going to improve the Nix loading times. We have this issue with the previous Plutus experience. Sometimes, depending on the chapter you are, we have some very long load times, and you need to have a very robust machine to be able to execute the runtime required to, because you need to simulate local tests and stuff like that. So it's really time consuming. So we try to optimize that the way we can. We have some tools available that we can do that, and we try to do everything we can to improve that experience for the developer. And we also try to bring more modules beyond the ones that we have now, because we expect that by focusing better and making the content more succinct, we expect to have more space to more material. So we try to fill this journey with different topics. For example, we can try to explain how to use different backends. Like right now on Plutus, actually, you can use Block Frost and Coops and so we can try to bring different backends. So this give more options for the developers to play with the environment that we have built. We also can touch more on staking, how to do staking, how to manage stake pools and things like that. It was something that has not been addressed in the first module. We can bring property-based testing. We can bring state machines. We can bring Plutarch. We can bring how we can build production NFTs, because to have an NFT in production, we have some registration that needs to be in place. So we're going to explain each step on having a policy ID on Cardano production mainnet. We also can bring some things about on-chain. This is very important. I'm now in Voltaire that Conway has added a lot of features regarding governance. So we can also bring that to this Plus Experience 2.0. And we can talk a little bit about generative NFTs. This is really interesting, especially if you're coming from AI development. This can bring a lot of new ideas, fresh ideas for development. We're also gonna provide support and community engagement on Score through both Discord and Stack Overflow. We also have a Stack Exchange topic that we follow, and we try to help new users there. We are gonna also try to bring support through weekly cohorts. So we're gonna help new developers and onboard new developers on Cardano development. We can also do some kind of peer-to-peer mentoring, and we'll try to help also through GitHub issues. So here is the success of the previous Lovelace Academy, show that we have actually an engagement on our community channels, and this is increasing as we expected. We are not expecting to have like an explosive audience, but we expect to have this long tail of new users as we go. So basically, this is everything that we have built in the past. There's links here if you want to have a clue on what we have developed in the past. Here's some of our feedbacks. We have feedbacks of developers from community builders and other guys that we have produced this material on the past. And this is the milestone, and you can see the roadmap here, how we're going to deliver that. And here is our social profile, so you can check also on me and also on Maria. So for this proposal, In this proposal, we want to bring all this new idea to improve the developer experience on Cardano. And we thank our community. We have really good players uh, working together here to bring this content. We want to thank the community for the support that we have received so far. We expect this to be useful for the developers that are having this first experience, and we expect this to be useful for you. So please leave a feedback if you find this useful. We have our Discord channels, and stay tuned for more.
Thank you very much, Walker, for being here, talking to us, and present the proposal. It's like just a more informal way to say what we are building, not only me and you, but other people around the community, and also show the international community and the Brazilian community a little bit more about our work. Thank you very much, and I see you soon.
Thank you, Maria. Bye bye.